Leaders at the University of Tennessee officially fired a professor for her online comments about the assassination of political activist Charlie Kirk. The chancellor sent the termination letter last month citing misconduct and reputational harm for the university. The professor has filed an appeal. The case started after that professor, Tamar Shirinian, commented on a Facebook post back in September. University leaders say that comment endorsed violence, so she was placed on administrative leave, and that professor did file a federal lawsuit and appeared in court in December. 10 News reporter Lauren Lovett joining us tonight with how this case could play out in court. Lauren.
John, Shirinian says that this all stemmed from her First Amendment rights being violated. I talked with an attorney who says it might be difficult for her to win this case.
It's a debate over freedom of speech and how that applies when you work for a public university.
What she's overlooking is Tennessee is generally regarded as an employment at will state, which means that you can be fired for most any cause. There are certain exceptions, but other than that, I think she's going to have a very tough row to hoe.
Tamar Shirinian was terminated in February, months after she posted this comment about Charlie Kirk. Before that, she was placed on administrative leave and sued, claiming the university had violated her First Amendment rights.
It wasn't necessarily what you would normally consider to be a public comment. However, she made it on a public forum where she had the expectation that other people would see the same.
In the termination letter, Chancellor Dondi Plowman stated while the post might have seemed private, it was quickly seen by millions of people who associated her words with the university. Plowman said she regrets this decision being necessary and wishes Shirinian the best with her career elsewhere.
I think her days at the University of Tennessee are done. To take a sports term, her NIL contract got canceled.
That attorney says while some professors have protections like tenure, those protections don't apply if the university determines its policies or standards were violated. But that former assistant professor is not giving up the effort to return to the classroom. Her federal lawsuit is scheduled to go to trial next January.
We'll continue to follow it. Lauren Lovett on the very latest tonight.